In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a coupon code in Zoom. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once you have that open, type in the search bar Zoom. This will lead you to Zoom's official website, which is the platform you'll be using to apply your coupon code. It's important to make sure you're on the official site to avoid any security risks. Now, with the website loaded, look for the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. You'll need to enter your credentials to log in. If you're not already registered, you'll need to sign up first. Logging in is crucial because it allows you to access your account details and make purchases. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Plans and Pricing section. You might also see it labeled as Plans and Billing in the navigation menu. This section is where you'll explore different subscription options available to you. It's important to choose the right plan that fits your needs, whether it's for personal use or a business setting. Next up, you'll want to choose the plan you wish to purchase. For instance, if you prefer Zoom One Pro, click on Upgrade or Buy Now next to that option. This step is where you decide on the specific Zoom service level that best suits your usage requirements. Each plan has different features, so choose wisely based on what you need. After selecting your plan, proceed through the checkout process. Keep going until you reach the step labeled Review and Pay or Billing Information. This stage is where you can review your order details. It's a good moment to double-check everything to ensure you're not missing anything important. Now, take a look at the right-hand side of the page. You should see the Order Summary box. This section summarizes your selected plan and the total cost. It's crucial to verify these details to ensure there are no mistakes in what you're about to purchase. Within the Order Summary box, locate the text field labeled Promo Code or Discount Code. This is where you'll enter your coupon code. It's essential to find this field as it's the key to applying your discount. Missing this step would mean missing out on savings. Type or paste your coupon code into the field exactly as it was given to you. Then click the Apply button. This action is vital because it triggers the discount to be reflected in your order. You will see the new total amount once the code is successfully applied. This confirmation reassures you that the discount has been activated. Finally, once you're satisfied with your order and the discount is applied, click on Submit or Place Order. This finalizes your purchase and activates your subscription with the discounted rate. Completing this step confirms your transaction and ensures you start enjoying the benefits of your selected Zoom plan. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a coupon code in Zoom. Remember, every little saving counts, and using a promo code is a smart way to make the most out of your subscriptions. Thank you for watching and happy Zooming!